Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's been on my mind lately: why my dog hates me. If you've ever felt like your furry friend is giving you the cold shoulder, you're not alone. Let's explore some reasons behind this behavior and what we can do to fix it. First things first, we need to understand that dogs have their own ways of communicating. Unlike humans, they rely heavily on body language and behavior to express themselves. So, what might seem like hate to us could be a sign of something else. Let's break down some common reasons why a dog might appear to dislike you. Lack of training. Without proper training, dogs can develop bad habits and might not understand what's expected of them. Inconsistency. Dogs thrive on routine and consistency. If their daily routine is frequently disrupted, it can cause stress and anxiety. Lack of socialization. Dogs need to be socialized with other dogs and people. Without it, they can become fearful or aggressive. Health issues. Sometimes a dog's behavior can be linked to an underlying health problem. Regular vet checkups are crucial. Miscommunication. We might unknowingly send mixed signals to our dogs. For example, punishing them for something they don't understand can lead to confusion and mistrust. So how can we turn things around? Here are some steps to help rebuild that bond with your dog. Consistent training. Invest time in training your dog using positive reinforcement techniques. This builds trust and helps them understand what's expected of them. Establish a routine. Dogs love predictability. Establish a daily routine for feeding, walking, and playtime. Health checkups. Ensure your dog is healthy by scheduling regular vet visits and addressing any medical concerns promptly. Positive interaction. Spend quality time with your dog. Play games, go for walks, and simply be present. Show them love and patience. I remember when I first got my dog, there were moments when I felt like we just weren't connecting. It took time, patience, and a lot of learning, but eventually, we built a strong bond. Remember, every dog is different, and what works for one might not work for another. It's all about finding what makes your dog feel loved and secure. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to help this channel grow.